Hello? Drug and alcohol.
Are you trying to reach somebody?
This is A&S Roofing.
This is a payphone that you keep calling.
What are you calling drug and alcohol for?
I'm not calling drug and alcohol. I'm saying that the number you're calling is to a payphone.
Well, what are you cussing me for?
What's that?
What are you calling drug and alcohol for?
I did not call drug and alcohol. I'm sitting here in the middle of a library and this phone is going off. So
we don't drink.
I think there's some confusion. So
you're nuts.
What?
I don't think you're going to kick my ass.
What?
Why are you calling under drug and alcohol? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Drug and alcohol?
What?
This is A&S Roofing.
No.
What are you calling drug and alcohol for?
I didn't call it.
Why are you calling under drug and alcohol?
Hello?
Hello? Drug and alcohol?
Yeah?
Excuse me? This is A&S Roofing.
Really?
You got my cell phone number. Why are you calling under drug and alcohol? We don't drink.
Thought it was my wake-up call.
Motherfucker. Cocksucker.
Hello?
Hello? Drug and alcohol? This is A&S Roofing. What are you calling drug and alcohol for?
I didn't say anything.
Bring it on. Come on, you're being taped. Go ahead and give it to me more, honey, motherfucker. Why are you calling under drug and alcohol?
I think this is a payphone, and you called a payphone because I was screwing with you earlier.
We don't drink. Oh, fuck myself, my asshole. Might feel pretty damn good. Why are you calling under drug and alcohol?
Hello?
Hello? Drug and alcohol? This is A&S Roofing. What are you calling drug and alcohol for?
I didn't say anything.
Bring it on. Come on, you're being taped. Go ahead and give it to me more, honey, motherfucker. Why are you calling under drug and alcohol?
I think this is a payphone, and you called a payphone because I was screwing with you earlier.
We don't drink. Oh, fuck myself, my asshole. Might feel pretty damn good. Why are you calling under drug and alcohol? Cocksucker. What are you calling drug and alcohol for?
You have that number. It's not calling here.
You called before and called the other operator, a bitch and everything. Now this has got to stop. Bring it on, motherfucker.
You keep calling here, and do you know what this is?
Uh-huh.
This is the union at the University of here.
Why are you calling under drug and alcohol?
Hello?
Who is your daddy, and what does he do?
What?
Who is your daddy, and what does he do?
Stop calling here. People are trying to study, and this is annoying.
Bullshit. Bullshit! Fucking bitch.
Hello?
Somebody must be calling me and you somehow on the same fucking numbers.
What?
I wish I was someplace I could get my hands on you. That's all I can tell you. Let me tell you something, asshole. You called here 3 times in the last 10 minutes, and I'm goddamn sick of it.
Yeah, people keep calling here, too. Your number just called us.
The police are going to get you.
What?
I up this time. I got your goddamn cell phone number. I'm going to report this number, and I've already called them. They're after you. They're going to get you eventually.
This is the union at the University of...
I don't call anybody.
Well, this is who calls us.
Who are you trying to call?
We're not trying to call anybody. We keep picking up the phone, and you're calling us.
What are you trying to call? Do you think I'm calling you or something?
Yes.
The police are going to get you.
Okay, well, this is the University of... union. It's a payphone.
This is A&S Roofing.